Welcome to Beautyistic, the space where we break down everything beauty and style. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that's designed to make your beauty routine more efficient and your workspace more organized. The OmySalon Salon Trolley with 6 drawers and dryer holder. Now, whether you're a hairstylist, tattoo artist, or a beauty professional of any kind, we know how important it is to have everything you need close at hand, and that's exactly what this trolley promises. But how does it really hold up? Let's dive in and find out. This salon trolley is crafted from high-quality ABS material, ensuring that it's both sturdy and durable for long-term use. The kind of resilience we're looking for in a busy salon environment. Plus, it's super easy to clean. A big win for those long days when product spills happen and you need something that doesn't add to your stress. The design of this beauty cart is all about functionality. It features 6 pull-out drawers measuring 13.7 liter by 9.8 megabots, providing ample space for all of your hairstyling tools, makeup essentials, and even tattooing supplies. You won't be scrambling around looking for that specific tool you need anymore. Everything has its place. Additionally, 2 stainless steel bottom racks are great for storing water sprayers, bottles, or anything else you might need close by, but that doesn't fit neatly in the drawers. What really stands out here is the extended workspace. You can pull out up to 2 of the drawers and place them in a groove along the top, which gives you easy access to the tools you use most. No more digging through the drawers to find that one elusive brush. The removable chrome ring is another thoughtful touch, designed to securely hold your blow dryer, keeping it ready to use at all times. Now let's talk about mobility. The trolley is equipped with upgraded casters that roll smoothly, and with 360-degree rotation, maneuvering through tight spaces is a breeze. Whether you're rolling it to a new workstation or simply shifting it across the room, it's designed for ease of movement. No more tugging or worrying about hair catching on the wheels. Just a seamless glide. As for assembly, it's straightforward. The instructions and included tools make putting it together a simple process, and you'll be ready to roll in no time. But what about the downside? There aren't many glaring cons to speak of, but I did notice that while the drawers are spacious, they could be a bit more divided for even better organization. And if you plan on using it for something beyond beauty, like a home office or craft cart, the drawers might not be large enough for bigger tools or supplies. So, how does it measure up in terms of value for money? Given its sturdy build and ample storage, I'd say this trolley is definitely worth the price. It's a high-quality piece of equipment designed to last and make your workflow more efficient. If you're a professional who needs something that's both durable and practical, this is a solid investment. Comparing it to other carts on the market, it holds its own. Sure, there are cheaper options available, but the combination of quality materials, smooth mobility, and thoughtful features like the blow dryer holder and removable drawers makes it stand out. You'd be hard-pressed to find a cart that offers this level of organization at a similar price point. As for build quality and longevity, the ABS construction feels like it will withstand years of heavy use. The casters, in particular, are made with durability in mind, and they're built to handle frequent movement without giving out over time. If you've had any experience with OmySalon's customer service, feel free to share in the comments, but I haven't had the chance to contact them myself. The brand does have a reputation for producing professional-grade tools, so I wouldn't expect any major issues. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely some other salon trolleys out there, but many of them don't offer the same 360-degree mobility or extended work surface features. Some cheaper carts may come with fewer drawers or weaker materials, so keep that in mind if budget is a big factor. Final verdict, the OmySalon Salon Trolley is a game changer for any beauty professional who needs a highly functional, easy to maneuver, and well-organized cart. If you're someone who needs a reliable solution for keeping tools close by, this is a fantastic choice. It may not be the absolute cheapest, but it offers excellent value in terms of design, durability, and mobility. Now, if this review has been helpful to you, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can benefit from honest reviews like this. Your support really helps us bring more quality content to you. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this trolley, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And of course, the link to purchase this product is right in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.